One of the greatest lessons in my career was actually when I was about 3 years into my professional career. One day I got a phone call from a company and they said, look, we found your profile on LinkedIn and we think you may have some skills to do this job that we've got. And at first I was a bit reticent because I was really happy about where I was working at the time. I loved the company culture and I felt that my career was going somewhere. But for once I was actually open to listening to some other opportunities, so I took a risk. And it turned out that this job was in another country. It wasn't in London, it was going to be in Mexico City. And although they were asking for a Spanish speaker, I have to admit at the time that my Spanish was really not that good. It was very, very basic level. But I think the important thing here was that I was 26 or maybe 25 at the time, and I said to myself, just say yes, take a chance. It might not work out, but it might just give you everything that you're looking for. And so I ended up interviewing for this position in London. I ended up in Mexico City. And the job didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be. If I, in hindsight, look back, think it probably wasn't the right job for me. But I didn't know that at the time. And so I took a chance, took this job, and I ended up in another country. And 15 years later, I'm still here. I'm happy. I have my own company now, doing something that I truly love. And I've built a whole life over here in Mexico. So what I hope people can take from this is that not every opportunity that's in front of us will always be obvious. We will always have doubts. There will always be a reason to say no. But sometimes the best thing that could happen to you in your career is taking that shot, saying yes, and just seeing what happens.